What is it?
Kind of bird.
Guess.
Got your noggin.
Alright.
Watch, don't like stand up completely.
Oh, it's those guys. I was like, who's talking?
Why don't we have to stand up fully?
You just have to watch for spiders. Whoa, you good?
Yeah, sorry. A little unbalanced.
Can you go to the end?
Yeah, we can go in as far as we need to.
What's up here?
Hey, easy. Wait for us.
I don't know.
Hey.
Oh god.
Oh, it's a bird. Oh, it's a bird.
Oh yeah, that's
There's
a
a bird in here?
Yeah, it's. Come here, get
Wait,
down.
oh,
Get
shit.
down. Get down. Get down.
Hi, baby. It's
Do
hovering
you want
above
us
me.
to leave?
It's hovering
Did we
above me.
disturb your babies?
It's trying to. You're shining the light in my face and I can't see anything. Did it leave?
Yeah.
Jackson, that's why you need to be careful.
Whoa.
They have a nest in here.
What if we knocked it down?
We didn't knock it down, but. It's right there.
What?
The
Where?
sparrow nest. Do you see it?
No.
Right there on the wall.
Oh, that's a sparrow nest.
Yeah.
Wait, that was a sparrow?
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen a sparrow.
I wonder if there's babies in it.
Check.
Matt can,
No.
with his camera, he can look.
Ooh, there's a little lamb.
Wait, could you wait for us? The 9-year-old's more fucking ready to go than we are.
Oh, there's a fire gun in here.
So we probably brought it down here. Easy, easy, because you don't know what wildlife could be in here.
That's
Or there's pipes.
Or anything.
And
a pipe's a wild animal.
Hey,
you're a
easy.
wild animal.
I don't know why the 9-year-old's leading us.
What do you call that hole? Sparrow.
What's in that hole? I don't know.
I don't get that math. If that is math.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, easy.
Can you go in there?
No.
No, you can't go in there.
Oh, if you could, would you?
If I could, would I? I don't know. Free Wi-Fi. There's free Wi-Fi down there. Legend says.
Interesting.
Wish we knew where it came out. Hello! Whoop, whoop. I just thought of that, buddies. Whoop.
Let me put the camera in.
But,
Ooh,
I'm not
good.
shine the camera down there, maybe we'll be able to see further.
Whoa.
Easy. Yeah, you be easy with just your sneakers on. I don't know what this hook thing was for.
You can't tell how far it goes.
No, it's supposed for like ever.
There's something shiny
Mm-hmm.
that my flashlight is reflecting off of.
Yeah, I know.
Fuck that thing right there. Yeah, I'm done.
What?
Big spider.
Big spider. I need to
Huge,
see.
like black widow looking motherfucker. No, seriously, don't disturb it or fuck with it. You see it on the ceiling right there? Right there on the ceiling.
Oh,
See it shining?
that's huge.
Yeah, I'm all set. Oh, there's another one right above us. Yeah, dude, I'm so good.
Oh, there's a slug also, and there's 3. Oh
Yeah,
god.
good.
Go. I
That's rough.
don't like this. Oh, go. I don't like spiders. I do
I
like
know,
spiders.
we're all set with those things. I don't know what the fuck they're on. They don't
Go.
Let's
right.
go.
Hello. Just have a- They thought they could do. You can-
Very big
That's
bag.
what I was saying when I said careful spiders. Alright, ready. Okay.
Spider. Spider.
I think we made it down
Oh,
to the end this time.
No more spiders.
I left our equipment in the car though.
Oh yeah, you did.
It's okay.
There's nothing on her back.
I gotta climb out.
Turn around. Let me get your camera.
Alright.
Alright. I don't really know where to go next.
Where is it? Something shiny over there, but it's probably nothing. Is there any other building?
There's other, like, foundations over here, but not like buildings.
Wasn't the warden's foundation?
The other way. We'd have to go up the hill.
Plus I think it's probably grown in.
It's probably grown in to get to it.
Waited too late in the season to come back out. But,
Yeah.
I wonder where they're taking me down.
Thanks. Gonna tear down a piece of history. Those guys that we met over there are really nice.
Shine your flashlight on the pin. Thank you. I just... I know there's a foundation right in here that you can get to, usually. Yeah, there's like a brick walkway, and then there's just like remnants of like,
This is like a ramp.
yeah.
Whoa. I've never been here before. Hey look buddy, another smiley symbol. Huh. It's all cement. And right here is brick.
There's no cement over here.
Whoa, be careful.
Needs something.
It's like a chimney.
It's a well.
Oh, okay, it's a dried out well.
That's weird.
Here, let me go. Let me go. What is that?
What?
An animal.
Psh, psh.
You just scared me.
I don't know what it is.
Come on.
Big bug, huh?
All right, we'll just stay away from there for now. Seeing that just
Maybe later.
maybe later, maybe.
Yeah.
Interesting.
White.
Ooh, you know how in Scooby-Doo they like gulp their spit?
Yeah, did you do that?
Yeah.
You're like, gulp. I wonder what that is.
Except like 3 bubbles. Just
Yeah?
yeah.
Thought you were gonna die?
Yes. Because I don't like random things that I can't see.
Not today, sir.
I don't like things
No,
that I
but you
can't
were
see.
right, dude. There was something over there. I'm just not sure what it was. It was an animal. Can't tell.
And I know that there's foundations all like in there that you can't get to because the grass is so high. They're like right, like in the edge of the woods right there.
Oh, there's a car up there.
It's our car.
Oh, that is. Okay.
You can always walk up that way or walk off.
No. Are we gonna get some of the things that you put in your bag?
Tools?
Yeah.
Equipment?
Yeah.
The ITC equipment?
Mhm.
Maybe. Why is it so open?
I don't know. I feel like there might be like this might be a path like right here.
What?
But I don't want to mess with it because
That's like a bear trail. Yeah, it's like a fox or a bear trail.
foxes or bears.
And if it recently happened. What do you mean by like the police coming? What do you mean by like the police coming? Yeah, the police.
Yeah, you want to go up on top of it and look down?
I remember that it's weird to go up. I remember saying it was like weird. Felt like they were going to some like mountain of doom. Hot Supreme? Hot Supreme.
Supremacy?
Oh yeah, Matt. Oh yeah. Oh. Also,
Over here too.
there's another one. There's a trail. Can we go down it?
Not too keen on that, like with the bears and everything lately.
Mom's slide.
I hear everything on my right ear.
Wait, don't follow me.